Okay, this is for week 9, assignment 2. So if you click here, it's going to give you some directions. But let me just tell you basically what you're doing. In assignment 1, you created a letterhead. Okay, so here's your letterhead. You created this letterhead. I gave you all of this information that you had to do. What you have to do for assignment 2 is create your own letterhead. Now, you say, oh, well, I don't own a business, etc. I want you to pretend you work for your favorite theme park. Okay, so if it is Great Adventure, which is a Six Flags in New Jersey, I would take, and in here, I would recreate everything that we did, but instead of saying Crooked River Paddling Adventures, I would put Great Adventure Six Flags, and I would put the address and phone number from New Jersey. Then I would go and I would find their logo. Whatever theme park you choose will have a logo, if it's Disney, Universal, SeaWorld. And then over here, you can put your name, and I think I have it park manager. Okay, so over here in this last part would be your name and park manager. And then you'll put your line again, and so that you have a letterhead from your favorite theme park. Once you have done that, then you are going to write at least a 5-sentence paragraph about why it is your favorite. You need to convince me to go and visit it. So it is a persuasive paragraph trying to convince me to go and see your favorite park. At least 5 sentences, and you need to use the Pearl method if at all possible. Okay, so that's what all of this is saying here, is they're talking about letterhead and decorative fonts and different sizes. We did all of that. That's what I want you to do. I want you to play with it. It'll have the logo. It will have everything going on. Once you are done, you will have to save it. If you are on the online version, you will have to save it and download a copy so you can put it in your assignment. Or if you are on your computer, you save it to your computer and in your quarter 2 folder, so that you can upload it to OneDrive. You will upload it to OneDrive. You're saving it as assignment 2. If you have any questions, let me know.